Alors, bonsoir, bonsoir. Joyeux dimanche, bon dimanche, happy Sunday. Julian, I had a chance today to get some wonderful Caribbean ingredients. You know, this is something ingredient that you see all the time, but nous jouons tellement c'est des belles graines Julian là que nous obligés to show it to you guys. Julian là, nous jouons nice queen carp, you know, like the big ones, how you fly man. You know what I mean? See how big they are? Not all the time you find those. A lot of time you find the tiny, small one. But this is good at this one. Big jumbo type of Caribbean queen carp. Like, you don't get these all the time. Look how big this is. What? So I'm gonna show you how to clean this thing up real quick. I say a lot of times people clean it and they waste the meat. So I'm gonna show you real quick how to clean it. That way you don't waste a lot of the meat because it's very expensive. Vraiment cher qu'on y a là. Lambi c'est pas la jouette, puis lambi tellement gros. So basically I have my lambi. I have some sour orange juice, squeezed orange juice, sour orange, you want to see? And I have my lambi. So, but the most important thing, I have a very sharp little knife that I use specifically to do my lambi and things like that. So, let me show you real quick. I'm gonna take this part of the lambi. This part, one game qui fait le bagage, on va utiliser. Game qui met couper les toiles, mettre dans marinade, but I don't like that. So it's really like that grossy part that I don't like. So I'm going to take that out. But I'm being very careful not to waste my meat of the lamb because young lamb, bien chef. So you have to be a little bit precise how you do it. Me personally, at the restaurant, I like to do all the seafood. I like to do the lamb when it comes in. I like to do fillet of fish when it comes in. Just because I enjoy, not only because I enjoy doing it, I really like working on doing that. But you know, I make sure that it's not, you know, my product not being wasted. So I take these two parts. These two parts are the ankle of the lambi. You know, these I could use in soup, and I could also, like for example, this one right here, I could cut them up like this a little bit, cut them up and put it like that, and put them in my marinade, in my fritter, my shrimp food. This is good, the shrimp food. And this one also, you could use it too, the tentacle here, but you have to move these little things out. See this little part right here? That's the head, the brain part. You have to move this out. So me, I always just like scrape it off with that knife, take all that sand, because if you don't, what's gonna happen? Si vous faites marinade avec tout ça, si on va nettoyer ça, on va essayer sable dans ça, l'homme de marinade d'or vient un petit sable là-dedans. So, but, il y a des gens qui utilisent, il y a des gens qui découpent, il y a des gens qui ça va être tellement cher, il y a des gens qui faire ça. So, j'aime dire, commence à couteau bien filé pour filer l'ambiance. So, I'm filing the lamb, okay? So, what? I can see a goose, so that's another part that's usually in fresh lambi in Haiti. Nous prenons si ça nous est zone et ça va gagner, c'est retirer. So basically, c'est 6% on va retirer sans cher, sans rien. Okay? So I like doing it like that. So most people, they like to just put it away pour le lambi, but moi-même pas faire ça, moi-même juste retirer pour bien propre. Okay? Voilà, si je fais entrer sur moi-même, je retire même là autant pour pas d'accident, pour couteau pas blesser. Beaucoup de gens qui ont couteau blessé, mais gens qui blessent tête avec couteau. So, on va utiliser couteau, siffler, pour faire prudent, pour assurer comment couteau respecter le couteau, pour respecter là, c'est très important. So, j'aime donner le dimanche là, nous avons envie spécial là, le dimanche là, et nous avons envie griller, nous avons en sauce à la haïtienne, nous avons envie marinade, nous avons envie ceviche, nous avons envie frit en style Bahamas. So, quand chef, vous connaissez, d'autres ingrédients, c'est ingrédients frais, nous utilisons pour faire manger là. Ça veut dire qu'on garde la lambi ça là, nous avons juste couper et puis manger un morceau là-dedans parce que c'est vraiment frais. On regarde bien là, on peut voir qui frais, c'est pas pareil qui se posing, qui sortit bien loin. Pareil, c'est là, il y a un endroit là, tout près là, on va aller prendre là, et puis on va là, et puis on préparer, on vend et on va acheter. Vous comprenez? So, chaque dimanche, pour ici là, nous avons fruits de mer frais qui entrent dans la là, et nous préparons. Comme je dis tout le monde, at Kai Chef, we're not a seafood restaurant, so we have seafood on the menu. Because we do have seafood on the menu, because we're not a seafood restaurant, we make sure that seafood is of utmost quality before we put it on the menu or before we have it and serve it to people. So it's very important, you know, very important. So we're not an entire seafood restaurant, so we don't want to claim that, oh, normally we get seafood. No, we have seafood when we have it. So when we have it, we have it. Those things that could be on the menu all the time are on the menu. Most of the time, some of the things that we get like lambi, we get them when they're in season. When they're not in season, we don't run them. We don't put them on the menu. So that's very important to keep the balance of the ecosystem here and use things when they are in season. So, j'aime bon là, regardez là, voilà, pas faire du pièce viande là. Regardez là, tout l'ambime là même, pas faire du pièce, regardez si pour ça là. Pas faire du pièce viande dans l'ambime, ça quelque chose même. Toujours assurer c'est moi qui fais l'ambime, as much as possible. Et puis parfois, regarder faire l'ambime. Regarde. Yeah, parfois, regarder faire l'ambime, ou devons faire l'ambime tout, mais parce qu'on connaît comment on met l'ambime en fait, parce que l'ambime pas qu'à gaspiller, parce que le livre l'ambime vend 475 pesos aujourd'hui là, qui menu. Because we do have seafood in the menu, because we're not a seafood restaurant, we make sure that seafood is of utmost of quality before we put it on the menu or before we have it and serve it to people. So it's very important, you know, very important. So we're not an entire seafood restaurant, so we don't want to claim that, oh, normally we get seafood. No, we have seafood when we have it. When we have it. So when we have it, we have it. Those things that could be on the menu all the time are on the menu. Most of the time, some of the things that we get like lambi, we get them when they're in season. When they're not in season, we don't run them. We don't put them on the menu. So that's very important to keep the balance of the ecosystem here and use things when they are in season. So j'aime bon là, regardez là, voilà, pas faire du pièce viande là. Regardez là, toute l'ambime là même, pas faire du pièce, regardez si pour ça là. Pas faire du pièce viande dans l'ambime, ça quelque chose même. Toujours assurer c'est moi qui fais l'ambime, as much as possible. Et puis parfois regarder à faire l'ambime. Regarde. Yeah, parfois regarder à faire l'ambime. Ou devons faire l'ambime tout, mais parce qu'on connaît comment on met l'ambime en fait, parce que l'ambime n'est pas qu'à gaspiller, parce que le livre l'ambime vend 475 pesos aujourd'hui là, qui presque 10 dollars. Tu vas regarder? Yeah, exactement, qui presque 10 dollars, c'est dire que là, pas de temps pour m'a perdu l'ambime, mais mon petit calme m'a perdu parce que tout l'ambime qu'a utilisé pour un bagage spécifique dans le menu. C'est comme nous, c'est important pour gérer tout avec couteau, pour pas faire 2 points sur vous. Très important. Après ça là, je file l'ambiance bien filé. Je file mon huile. Mon huile pour m'assurer que la portionner, que est bien portionné evenly pour la cuire bien rapide. So, guess what? So là, je vais couper ça là. Ça arrive de quitter lui, mais c'est comme si on restaurant, mais c'est là quand même à quitter ça. Comme si on restaurant, on retire partie ça, partie rain. But I'm gonna still use it in my marinade. So here's the lamb. Take me 2 minutes to clean it. Look at this. Clean. No dark spot, nothing. So lambi dans le restaurant, pas supposé gagner ça là-dedans, même partie ça, pas supposé gagner ça là-dedans. On prend dans plage, on a pris pour manger lambi, pour gagner un petit bout de ça. But dans le restaurant, the bagay, this supposed to be off, that skin was supposed to be off. Basically, it's clean. So it's a little bit sticky like that, so all you have to do is just submerge it in that orange juice, sour orange juice, okay? Before you take it to wash or whatever, just submerge it in sour orange juice like that. Now it's no more glissé. And that's it. That's the way we do lambi here at Kai Chef. So that Caribbean queen lambi, you could have it Bahamian style, fried, you could have it in sauce like ceviche, or you could have it in sauce creole, you could have it grilled, or you could have it in curry, whichever way you like. Kai Chef, #1 Caribbean restaurant in Zona Colonial. So if you're in the zone, you feel like eating some good, fresh conch this Sunday, come fast because it's not going to last. I only bought 10 pounds today and it started going already. I've already sold at least 3 orders already, so it won't last. So if you're in the area, you're in the Zona Colonial, come see us at Kai Chef. Thank you.